Hi, thanks for joining me. This is Engineer Taha Khalil again. I want to speak about hiring safety consultants, why we need safety consultants. So if you are having a lot of accidents in your company, if you have a lot of losses in the properties and the people, if you have a lot of problem, you want to implement safety system, you don't know how to do it and from where to start. If you want, say, for example, to comply with the legislations, you don't know how to do it, then this video is for you. Yeah, okay. A safety consultant normally he's somebody who has a wide experience in his field. Say, for example, in the safety, he has experience in implementing so many systems in different kind of companies, and he will be able to implement and assist you in implementing the safety systems. Okay. Now, what are the benefits of hiring a safety consultant? I would say there are so many reasons for hiring a safety consultant, but I will give you 5 points for hiring a safety consultant. Number one, from my point of view, is hiring a safety consultant will do a kind of a vibration in the company. It will increase the level of awareness among employees. It will increase the educational level of the employees. It will increase the level of awareness about the hazards in their workplace. It will be like an eye-opener for them, and as a result, they will be able to avoid accidents, and as a result, of course, this will improve the company morale and the culture. So it will increase the level of awareness among the employees. As a result, there will be more engagement from them. Number two, the consultants is normally somebody who knows about the latest legislations. Normally professional consultants, they are up to date about the mandatory compliance, mandatory legislations and the rules from the government, and he will be able to advise you about what are the mandatory things that you have to comply with. Okay, but that's not enough, knowing the latest legislations. Number three is about they would know how to implement those legislations. They would know the best practices for implementing those legislations. I'll tell you a secret. Normally, legislations are written in a very difficult language, yeah, Shakespearean language. So a professional consultants will be able to explain it and simplify it for the employees, and will guide them with the best practices on how to implement them. So this is the third one. Number four, it is for sure it's less cost. It will cost less to hire a consultant than hiring an employee. If you hire a professional safety practitioner to help to implement the safety system, that will cost a lot of money. But the consultants, he will not be in your payroll. He will not be, he will not get all those benefits, all those kind of costs that a normal employee will get. So that is cost effective for the company. Number five, hiring a safety consultants will be improving the cost and the bottom line, because hiring consultants, it will help reducing the cost, improving the morale, improving the level of engagement, enriching the culture of the company, and establishing a system. And the result will be what? Less premium, less insurance, less medical, etc. And for sure, this will help for raising the profitability of the company and decreasing the operational cost. So these are 5 points that I wanted to share about benefits of hiring a safety consultant. Now, are you ready for hiring the safety consultants? I would say, if you are ready, call us. We'll be here to help you. Let's have a chat together. Let's have a chat and discuss about your problems and how we can provide a solution for you. Let's have an assessment call with you, yeah? And we'll be able to give you a solution to any concerns that you have. Thank you very much indeed, and I look forward to meeting you very soon. And thanks for being part of my day. See you then. Bye.